Brothers, look at this harvest. We should be proud. A season's work rewarded. Allah is generous. Indeed, these olives are a true blessing. A toast to our success. Fresh olives, the best in the market. Green, black, and mixed, all fresh today.
Let's check this batch for seal integrity. Agreed, I'll inspect the labels. This one is fine, the seal is secure. Good. This one too? No issues. Excellent. Approved.
The soil moisture is good, but we can optimize. Agreed. Let's adjust the flow for this section, increasing to 116 liters per hour. Perfect. This will maximize the yield. Let's save and monitor. Look at this yield. The northern trees are underperforming. Yes, but see the recovery here in October. True. Let's adjust the irrigation. Good. Check the southern sector. Yields are up 20%. In this grove, we use dry farming methods, relying on deep roots to access water. Pruning is key. The harvest is timed perfectly for the best quality oil. The harvest begins. Careful with the fruit. The pressure is optimal. Watch for any blockages. Understood. Flow is steady. Excellent. The olives are thoroughly clean now. The paste is emulsifying well through the panels. Yes, I see. The temperature is stable. Good. Let's increase the pressure slightly. Adjusting now. Flow looks optimal. The density is 0.912. Excellent quality. Agreed. Viscosity is also perfect. Observe the clarity of this premium olive oil sample. This next view highlights the purity, showing smooth flow and absence of cloudiness. Finally, the pristine quality is evident in these subtle, pure movements.
Let's check this batch for seal integrity. Agreed. I'll inspect the labels. This one is fine. The seal is secure. Good. This one too? No issues. Excellent. Approved.
Loading bay 2, bringing the next pallet in. Got it. Push it to the back. Clear. Reversing now. Secured. Ready for the next one? These olive oil containers are ready for the New York shipment. Excellent. Load them onto the ship. Container secured. Moving out. Check the manifests. Let's confirm the quantities match the manifests. Yes, the weights are certified. Here's the certificate. Good. And the phytosanitary certificate? It's valid. We can proceed to sign off. هل هذا الزيت جيد؟ نعم، انظري إلى اللون الذهبي. أبي هذا كبير.
أريد المساعدة.
حسنا، خذي هذا.
أي هيا بنا قبل أن يزدحم المتجر.
Pouring the olive oil gently over the fresh bread.
Olives are a nutritional powerhouse. Their healthy fats are excellent for antioxidant, which help fight inflammation and protect our cells. Adding olives to your diet is a simple way to boost your overall health. The foundations are set. Phase 2 is on track. Lifting the main support beam now. This expansion will boost our capacity. Start digging the holes, make them wide for the roots. Yes, supervisor, this one is ready. Good. Now place the sapling and cover the roots. Patting it down now. The flow is too low. We need to adjust the main valve. I agree. Let's increase it by 20%. Good. This will help the trees during the dry season. Perfect. The roots will get what they need. اليوم سنتعلم عن تقليم أشجار الزيتون. متى يكون أفضل وقت للتقليم؟ أفضل وقت هو بعد الحصاد، في أواخر الشتاء. هل يؤثر التقليم على الثمار؟ نعم، التقليم الجيد يحسن جودة الزيتون. Pressure is stable. Check the valves. Valves are clear. No leaks. Good. Check the conveyor next. On it. Moving to the next station. This chart shows the yield increase over the last quarter.
Yes, a steady rise. What about moisture levels?
Here, the bar graph shows optimal levels.
Good. We'll adjust the next trial.
The fruit density on these trees is promising. Yes, a good yield. Let's check for signs of disease. The leaves look vibrant, no discoloration. Agreed. These trees are in excellent health.
Apply it evenly around the base. Yes, this nourishes the soil. This keeps the trees healthy. The grove will thank us.
Approach the next row carefully. We don't want to damage the trees. Understood. Activating the shaker arms. Collection rate is optimal. Keep it steady. Flow rate is climbing. We're at 450 liters per hour. Temperature is stable at 28. Pressure looks good. Good. Monitor for any spikes as we adjust. Understood. Efficiency is at 92%. We begin the acidity test by drawing a precise amount of olive oil. Now, we add the indicator solution and observe the color change. This sample is within the premium quality range.
Let's check this batch for certification marks. Yes, the ISO and organic seals must be correct. This one has the proper seals. It's compliant. Good. Let's check the next one.
The olive dishes look wonderful, my dear.
Thank you. The olives are fresh from the market.
I love the bread and olive oil.
It is the best. Good morning. Today we'll cover pruning basics to boost your yield. Watch as I cut this twig. Make a clean angle cut. This opens the canopy, allowing more light. Ah, I see now. Focus on the upper branches for balance. Understood. This one is dense. Good. Now trim the lower ones. These are done. A balanced shape. We'll take a sample from this row. Ready? The auger is set. Good. Twist it in. It's coming up now. Seal it for the lab. The buds are swelling, nearing full bloom. Now noting the petal count and size. This stage is key for pollination.
In this controlled environment, experimental olive saplings are cultivated for improved yield. Advanced sensors monitor conditions to optimize growth. These methods show promise for sustainable olive production.
The markers on chromosome 16 are promising for drought resistance. Yes, and the expression levels are consistent across samples. Exactly. This could lead to a breakthrough in cultivation. I agree. Let's prioritize these for field trials.
Let's begin the trial. Select samples from this tree. Understood. I'm starting with the green ones. Note the color and size variations. They look ripe. Basket is ready. Good. We'll analyze these.
Labels are aligned. Check the seals. Seals are tight. This batch looks good. Let's verify the next one. All clear. Pack them.
In preparation for the region's cultural festivals, workers carefully arranged these exquisite olive oil gift sets. A perfect gift of distance, embodying the essence of the Mediterranean.
Fresh olives, the best in the market. Green, black, and mixed. All fresh today.
This display traces the olive's journey, from ancient groves to modern harvests, highlighting its deep cultural roots. A symbol of prosperity, olive remains central to the region's identity and economy.
Olive farming is an ancient tradition, passed down through generations this land, ruralizing the heritage of our ancestors. These trees connect us to a history that has endured for millennia. Colleagues, our olive market is poised for growth. We must seize this. Agreed, our quality is superior, but competition is rising. We need to invest in branding and new processing. Precisely, let's form a joint task force to explore this. The pressure is low on this line. I'll check the valve. Look for any leaks here. None visible. It's clear. Good. Check the next pump. Let us begin the formal assessment. I will pour the sample. The aroma is grassy and fresh. I agree, the flavor is balanced, and a peppery finish. These rows are perfectly aligned. The growth will be even. Yes, the soil is good here. We should get a high yield. Careful with the roots. They are delicate. I will. This one is secure now. Our systems monitor the groves in real time. Temperature is stable, but humidity needs adjustment. Automated controls will maintain ensures optimal olive production. The data shows strong growth in European demand. Yes, a 12% increase. The quality of our olives is key, and the Asian market is expanding rapidly. This confirms our strategy. We should increase production. Brothers, look at this harvest. We should be proud. A season's work rewarded. Allah is generous. Indeed, these olives are a true blessing. A toast to our success.